Most drivers think oil is just oil, but that lie is exactly why so many engines die young. Pop the hood of a car that survived 300,000 or even 400,000 miles, and any honest mechanic will tell you straight. Your choice of oil is the difference between an engine that stays strong and one that dies prematurely. What shocked me the most is how two bottles sitting on the same shelf, both claiming to be full synthetic, can behave completely differently once the temperatures rise, or you hit 70 miles per hour on the highway. So, I decided to run the most brutally honest comparison test I have ever done. Same car, same driving conditions, same maintenance schedule. But I rotated between 9 different full synthetic oils to see which one actually protects best, which one holds its viscosity, and which one falls apart long before the bottle claims it should. And trust me, the results will change what you buy forever. Stick until the end, because the oil that performed number 1 isn't the brand you think it is. Let's get started. Number 9. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Full synthetic Mobil 1 Extended Performance is the oil mechanics reach for when they need an engine to handle long trips, high heat, and extended intervals without losing viscosity. It is engineered with a high-end base stock that resists thermal breakdown far better than mid-tier synthetics. That means the oil doesn't start breaking down or losing viscosity, even after thousands of miles of highway speeds or hot desert temperatures. Mechanics love this oil for cars that run long distances because it maintains its shear stability throughout extended intervals. It also keeps the piston rings cleaner, which directly prevents oil consumption issues. For engines that tend to sludge, especially Toyota, Hyundai, or older GM motors, Mobil 1 helps keep internals spotless. If you want something that will keep your engine clean, cool, and quiet, even at 200,000 plus miles, this is one of the strongest oils you can buy. Number 8. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic, the High-Pressure Protector. Castrol Edge isn't just a synthetic oil. It is formulated with titanium-based additives that increase film strength when the engine is under high stress, like hard acceleration, towing, or steep hill climbs. When your engine is under load, the oil thickens its protective layer, which reduces metal-to-metal contact and significantly lowers long-term wear. Mechanics regularly report smoother valve operation and quieter timing components in engines running Edge, especially turbocharged units like Ford EcoBoost or VW Audi TSI engines. This oil also resists foaming extremely well, which is important at high RPM, where aerated oil loses protective ability. One of its hidden strengths is its deposit control. Engines running Edge tend to have cleaner pistons and fewer carbon hot spots. It is a favorite among spirited drivers who accelerate hard and demand instant oil response. If you are someone who likes power, revs, or performance, Castrol Edge is tailor-made for you. Number 7. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic, the Cold Start Specialist. Valvoline Advanced is underrated, but mechanics trust it because of its real-world results more than flashy marketing. It has excellent cold cranking performance, meaning it flows extremely fast during cold starts, which is crucial since 80% of engine wear happens in the first 10 seconds after ignition. One of Valvoline's secret strengths is its low volatility, which reduces oil burn-off, especially in engines known for consuming oil like Honda K-Series, Subaru Boxers, or older BMWs. Another strength is it performs consistently whether you change oil at 5,000 miles or push to 7,500 miles. Mechanics often notice quieter lifters and better throttle response after switching customers to Valvoline. For daily commuters who want reliability without paying a premium brand price, this is one of the best oils on the market. Number 6. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic, the Clean Engine Master. Pennzoil Platinum is unique because it's made from natural gas, not crude oil. That gives it a purity advantage. Fewer impurities mean fewer deposits and slower degradation. Mechanics love this oil for keeping piston skirts, camshafts, and lifters extremely clean, even after 100,000 plus miles. Pennzoil Platinum also has strong heat stability, making it a favorite for turbocharged engines and cars driven in hot climates. It also helps with fuel economy. Another unique advantage is smoother idle and reduced noise, especially in engines with timing chains that rely on strong oil flow. This oil is excellent for modern engines with tight clearances, where cleanliness and low friction really matter. Number 5. Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic, the performance enthusiast's oil. Royal Purple is the oil people use when they want extreme performance, and they want their engine to feel different. This oil's Cinerlec additive creates a sticky protective layer on metal surfaces that stays even after the engine is shut off. That means every morning start has less wear. Many mechanics notice lower operating temperatures and smoother acceleration in engines running Royal Purple, especially V8s, turbocharged imports, and performance compacts, making it great for high-mileage engines or motors that see aggressive driving. It also handles high heat without oxidizing, making it great for track days, desert climates, or towing. The only downside is the price, but if you want the absolute smoothest performance, few oils feel like Royal Purple. Number 4. Liqui Moly Molygen Full Synthetic, the smooth operator. Liqui Moly Molygen is unique because it uses friction modifiers based on molybdenum and tungsten. These metallic additives bond to engine surfaces, reducing drag and improving smoothness even at very high temperatures. This leads to noticeably smoother acceleration and quieter engine operation, especially on German engines like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes, where high-pressure systems demand stable oil flow. Molygen also shines in older engines because its friction modifiers protect worn cam lobes, lifters, and bearings. Mechanics often report improved throttle response and even slight fuel economy gains. Another perk is its incredible heat tolerance, making it great for long highway runs, mountain climbs, and turbocharged engines. If you want your car to run silky smooth and last longer, Liqui Moly is hard to beat. Number 3. Castrol GTX Magnatech Full Synthetic. Castrol GTX Magnatech uses intelligent molecules that cling to engine parts even when the engine is off. These surface bonding additives reduce startup wear dramatically. This is incredibly important for urban drivers who take short trips, sit in traffic, and shut the engine off frequently. Mechanics often notice reduced wear marks on cam lobes and timing components in Magnatech engines because the oil doesn't fully drain away between drives. It keeps the engine clean with a strong detergent system that prevents varnish and sludge buildup. This oil also reduces engine noise during idle and low RPM, especially in older or higher mileage vehicles. It is a favorite among people who do a lot of stop-and-go driving. For drivers who want extra protection during cold starts and frequent shutdowns, Magnatech is a standout option. Number 2. Amsoil Signature Series. Synthetic Amsoil Signature Series is often considered the gold standard among hardcore mechanics and fleet owners. This oil has some of the strongest oxidation resistance in the entire industry, meaning it can handle extreme heat without breaking down. Many independent tests show Amsoil maintains viscosity better than nearly every other major brand at long intervals, even up to 20,000 or 25,000 miles for drivers who follow Amsoil's guidelines. The oil also contains a powerful detergent package that keeps engines immaculate inside, reducing sludge, varnish, and carbon buildup. Its film strength is extremely high, which protects engine components under severe load, towing, or high-output turbo conditions. If you want top-tier long-life protection, Amsoil is hard to beat. Number 1. SuperTech Full Synthetic Walmart brand. The Budget Warrior. SuperTech Full Synthetic is Walmart's house brand synthetic oil, and despite being cheap, it is surprisingly capable. This oil meets API-SP and ILSAC GF6A specifications, which are modern standards for wear protection and fuel economy. Many mechanics are shocked at how well this oil performs in real engines, especially when used at normal 5,000 to 7,000 mile intervals. It has a stable base stock and surprisingly good resistance to heat and oxidation for a budget oil. Drivers often report that SuperTech keeps their engines quiet, smooth and clean enough for long-term reliability. Yes, it lacks the premium additives of high-end synthetics, but for daily commuting and normal use, this oil delivers performance that punches far above its price. That's all for this video. Your engine deserves protection that goes beyond basic oil changes, and now you know which oils truly stand on top. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and help this video reach more drivers. Drop a comment telling us which oil your engine runs on, because your experience could help someone save thousands. See you in the next video.